I think a big missed opportunity in the garden that doesn't break the bank is adding boulders or rocks to your garden. Bringing those big accents say a lot, and it doesn't have to cost a ton. Access is one thing that you need to consider. Most often, if it's above about 2.5 feet or so, that's too big to push around in a wheelbarrow, and then you'll want machinery to move it around. If you have access to machinery, you can put in these big boys pretty easily. When pricing out boulders, they're often sold by the longest side. So if you're looking for a 1-foot boulder, they can range anywhere from $19 to $109, depending on if it's local or how exotic it is. And then of course there's also the delivery fees when it comes to rocks. So when you order a lot of boulders, they usually throw them in the back of the truck, and they're either going to be dumped into a landscape or they're going to be palletized. And so they're going to be rolled on a pallet and wrapped in saran wrap, or whatever that plastic thing is called, and dropped off with a forklift. So it's something that takes a little bit of coordination, but I think it adds so much beauty and interest. So the question is, to rock or not to rock?